Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. So in this video I want to show you an example of buying an NFT on Market Exchange, which is one of the top Sei NFT platforms. Pallet is the other leading platform. This is the first one. So right now NFTs are down on Sei as they are on most blockchains. So there's some good opportunity right now to go ahead and grab good projects. Please note that none of this is financial advice. I just want to show you the process of actually buying on Market Exchange. Seiyans, their team actually built Market. Dob is a good project. WeBump, the Colony was the original one. Alive, it's way down. They're all down right now, so let's go ahead and take advantage of it. So Outlines is really the first art project on Sei, and I like it personally. I have one I'd like to add to it. I bought one right after it minted at a premium, and right now it's trading way down, so it's a good time to average down. So let's go through the example of actually purchasing an NFT on Market. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. Compass is the wallet that I use and I recommend for Sei. So once your wallet's connected, you're going to go ahead and pick out the one that you like. The nice thing about Market, if you wanted to sweep a collection, you could do that just by dragging this. You can do a sweep. I also like that it shows all the action. By default, it'll show everything, but you can sort it by sales, list, delist. If we click on sale, you can clearly see the volume that is in the project at the moment. So pretty good volume. Again, everything is down right now. So I like this one with the fishbowl. So let's go ahead and click buy. So this will pop up approved purchase, 27 Sei. With the fee, there's the total. Click buy NFTs. Your Compass wallet will open. Go ahead and approve it. And it's that quick. If you click on your profile inventory, you can see there's the NFT we just purchased. And then if we go to our Compass wallet and we go to NFTs, you can see there's the outline we just purchased. I had that one in here already, and you can go ahead and click on it, and we now have that NFT. It says if you can't see your NFTs, you have to add the collection. I have a video on how to add the collection, so please check that out. If you buy a Sei NFT and it doesn't show up right away in your wallet, but that's how easy it is to purchase NFTs on Market. Again, Market and Pallet are the two marketplaces that you're going to want to look at if you're interested in NFTs on Sei. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more in-depth Sei and crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.